welcome back to another video. So remember my base PS5? Remember how when I turn sideways or upside down, whatever, you will hear like there was a piece of metal inside, loose in there? So today I'm going to open it up and see whatever is it that it's making that noise, because who knows, I might sell it. Right now I actually have it right here. Let me show you. Okay, so right now I got it right here, sitting beside my CPU. Here you are. So I'm gonna open it up and see whatever is in there. So let's find out together. Okay, so here we are. Let's see whatever it's inside. What happened? It's not making the noise anymore? Haha, no way. Well, I know it's in there because yesterday when I turned it on, it made noises like tra 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 tra, because he actually hit the fan and then it stopped. But then I'm afraid that it might actually be locking the fan up from spinning. And of course, I'm not gonna run the system overheating, but it's weird that it's probably stuck in the fan. Anyway, let's get it out. It's not worth running any risks. Plus, I might sell the system, or I might do something with it where somebody else will be the owner, the lucky owner, because this system is well taken care of. And when I do sell, I will include, or whatever I might end up doing with, but the new owner will have that heatsink. That looks pretty cool. It doesn't just look cool, but it actually works very, very well. Let's see, up, down. Okay, let's get some lights in here. Here we are. Oh, bummer. I won't be able to do nothing for now because I don't have the tool. I was afraid of that. Okay, so this video will have to continue later, within 2 days or so, whatever time it might take for me to get the tool. But in the meantime, I want to make sure that the fan is actually spinning when I turn it on. Okay, so whatever there was, as far as the metal inside, clearly is not making noise anymore when I shake the system. But now I wanted to actually see, to make sure if the fan is running or not. And I'm able to confirm that yes, the fan is spinning, which is good. So I don't have any issues there. But I will order the tool set that I need in order to open up this system, just so I can make sure that whatever was that piece in there, it's out of there, even though I don't hear it anymore when I shake the system around. Before I place that other plate back in place, I will shake it again and see if we will hear anything, but so far, so good. But we'll see. We'll see what happens here within 2 or 3 days, as soon as I get the tool set. I actually had the PlayStation running as it remains running just now. I forgot to show you guys that the screen, to show you that everything's okay, everything's running. Of course, the only games that I have re-downloaded to the base PS5 is Stellar Blade, Mortal Kombat 1, and the God of War, which is actually a disc game. These are the three main games that I'm actually playing right now, that I'm having time to play right now. But just wanted to show you that everything is fine, everything is good. Okay, I'm shaking it. That is so weird. See, this system was purchased from this father of a little girl who was 4 or 5 years old. So when I saw the system and I move it around, I heard that whatever, right? But now, whatever that thing was, it went somewhere because it's not making that noise anymore. But I will. Now I'm like, should I even bother with it? Should I not? Oh, there we go. Uh-huh. So it's out of question. Yes, I will bother with it because whatever that is loose in there, I can't even see from out here. But we can clearly hear it. And I tend to get it out. So last time, as I mentioned, when I turned it on, it was hitting the fan. And then it went somewhere, but too bad I can't see. And too bad I can't get it out without. Let me see. There we go. Okay. Let's see if I'm able to see anything. Anyway, enough of shaking. There's nothing I can do for now. I will come back with another video. Anyway, this was part 1 of trying to disassemble PS5 just to remove whatever is in here. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed yet, welcome to the channel. Leave a like, subscribe with notification on, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. No way. I got it. Whatever this was, this is definitely not from the console. Wow. Yeah, it's definitely not from here. But yeah, look at that. That's funny because I had wrapped the video and I just left the camera rolling because I don't like to give up. I'm not one of those that give up easy. But as I'm spinning around here and there, and then it just came through the vent. Woo! You know what that means? I don't have to buy tools. I don't have to spend extra money or time to take the system apart just to remove whatever plate this is that somebody, maybe the little girl, who knows, but somebody threw it in there. Ding! Gone. History. But let's see. Let's see if we can hear anything else now. This is just a fan. But yes! It's gone. Sweet! All right. So there we are. Nice. So you know what I'm gonna do now? It's got a light little dust. I usually keep my place clean, so when it comes to my consoles, they hardly have any dust, as you can see. Look at that. See? Not too much dust at all. Plus I don't have any pets, so I don't have to worry about all of that extra fur or hair from pets. But nice. Stupid little thing. Woo! Feels good. Okay. Let's see. Where is my cleaning cloth? Found it. Oh man, it feels good. That's funny because this is something that I've been wanting to get out of here for like, I had this system now for 2 years. So it's been in there for 2 years. But nice. Got it out of there. Since for now this is my room unit where I can play on my 1440p monitor there. It's perfect. It doesn't have to worry about pushing 4K when I'll be playing in 1440p. So in a way, this is a perfect option for monitors that are 1440p, and those of you that might end up keeping your base PS5, you can hook it up on just your 1440p monitor and you're good. For now, in my case, I don't have a disk drive to go with the PS5 Pro. So my option is, if I want to play God of War, which I haven't beaten yet, I can play on the 1440p monitor, and the base PS5 doesn't have to worry about pushing quality and just pushing performance. So that's good. There we are. I really hope that in the future, whenever they make a PS6, they would get rid of shiny piano black. and just come up with mate. The black material on the PlayStation, on the DualSense, it's perfect because it's just black mate and that's it. You don't have to worry about all this fingerprint and scratching, because anything scratches this. It's crazy. That's why I use like a very soft cloth, but even then it's crazy. It leaves like a light track of mini tiny scratches, but I don't worry about it because I know how fragile this piano black is. It's meant to be. It looks lightly used. But anyway, now it's basically dust free. No more metal loose inside. So that's good, that's good. So those of you that have purchased the PS5 Pro, what are you guys doing with your base PS5? Are you guys keeping it for now? Or do you guys plan to sell it? For now, I'm actually keeping it, and I'll keep on that monitor as I mentioned. But yeah, I'm curious about most of you, if you guys are keeping it or selling it or keeping it on your second TV in the room. Something I noticed is that whatever I save on that PS5 Pro, as far as whatever part that I might be in the game, it synchronizes with the cloud. And then when I turn this on and I try to play the same game, it syncs right away with the cloud, and then I can continue playing where I stopped here, or vice versa. So that's pretty neat. But there we have it, guys. No more metal loose inside. Now I can be in peace knowing that no short circuit is going to happen. I would let it happen if it actually became sort of a Johnny 5. If you guys are from the 80s, born in the 80s, then you know what I'm talking about. But if you're not, then Johnny 5, it's the robot from the movie Short Circuit. It becomes alive with a self-consciousness after being struck by lightning. But there we go. Actually, I forgot to check the pleat's good here. I'll check the other one. Let's see if this one. Yeah, it's good. Look at that. That's what I mean, man. If you take care of your place, take care of your stuff, it hardly gets any dust. And then you don't have to worry about maintenance. Just a light cleaning, and that's it. Here's my 100 yen coin, lucky coin. Every time I go to Japan, I bring one back. I'm still shocked that I finally got that piece out of here. It's awesome. No more metal noise lost inside. And personally, I believe I got a great deal on this console because, of course, the man told me the story, you know, about, oh, I got this for my little girl, but she's too small for that, da, 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 da. It could be true, of course, it could. But maybe he purchased it, perhaps used from someone, and then he had this metal noise lost inside, and then he wanted to pass it forward, and that's why I got a good deal. I think I paid $250 for it 2 years ago with the metal inside. So that's good. Now I got it out, and now I'm good to go. And there we go. Now I can wrap the video for real, okay? See you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and thanks for hanging out. Sweet. All right, it's almost there. You can rest for now.